Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple, easy, and quick exploding box. So first, for the main part of your box, this is what the outside and the very inside layer is going to look like. So you could just pick your paper. You want to decide what's going to be your inside or outside, depending on if you have a double-sided pattern. This is just a solid pink for demonstration. So I have my We Are Memory Keepers scoreboard, and you literally score it. Sorry, I feel like I'm getting sick. You score it at every 4 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then you just rotate it whichever way, because the score lines are going to be the same spot. And again, every 4 inches. Okay, now if you can see we have perfect squares. What I do. So these corner spots, I've seen some tutorials where you can cut out this corner square, but when the box folds up, you can see inside the box, kind of. So I like to keep it intact, and I fold it. So your box is gonna go like this. You're gonna wanna score these lines diagonally. Okay, I was having difficulties there. Stick your stylus or whatever you have and just kind of, I'm just starting over here, and when you're sliding your paper over, you'll feel your stylus or your bone folder fall into this crack. Over here, I find it hard to try to line it up, and it ends up all, so I just get my corner ready, and I move the paper and the stylus. Boom, I just fell into the crack. So now I know it's in the crack, and I just rotate like this to get it on the corner. That way I have a perfect diagonal. I'm going to do it again for the other corner. This way. So now I have my 12 by 12 square. I'm just going to cut off the edges from this corner to this corner. I just kind of cut it across. You could use your scoreboard, but I just like doing this easy. Now you're gonna start folding on your score lines, especially creasing where the square is. These little guys, you want to fold them in like this to start giving it that shape. I just pinch it. Next corner, start curling it up, because it'll look like that when it's closed up. So now it's starting to look like a taco salad. That, or I'm really hungry and this looks delicious. Okay, so this is, once your lid is on, this bad boy will be a square. You just can't tell right now. It's really gotta take shape when it's the actual lid is on. So this is the base of your exploding box. Put this aside while we work on the inner layer of the bloom. So your next paper is gonna be smaller. You could choose I would choose a different color personally, so it doesn't blend in like this, but these are the papers that I grabbed real quick. This is a 10.5 by 10.5 square. You are going to score this at the 3.5 inch mark. 3.5. And 1, 2, 3, and then the 7-inch mark. And rotate it 3.5. Gosh, I sound like a man. My voice, jeez. And 7-inch. Now, with this guy, you're not gonna want these little taco salad folds right here. I don't even know what these are called. You're just gonna want flaps. So you cut out each of the corner squares. And repeat. So now you're left with a big plus sign with your score lines right here around the center box. Just gonna fold it on those to give it the creases. Fold them inwards. Fold them in. Ta-da! So are you with me? You have this. Get your taco bowl. Then you get your plus sign and turn it whichever way. I should do it this way to hide the marker. And get your trusty freaking tape gun. Ugh, I hate this thing. Seriously. Then you get your little square and you kind of just center it with the other square. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now, if you can see the layers, this is why I would choose a different contrasting color. Should use this. Stick your little, embellish it like this, hold it up with a paper clip, put goodies here, goodies there. This is just a tutorial to show you how to get the basics down. I mean, you could go all out with these things. So here's the inside. See how it still folds up? And you can even put something big on the inside, like anything that's less than 4 inches. Obviously, this is a bad example. Is this 4 inches? Perfect, this. And it fits even with everything closed up. So it's perfect. And now I'm going to show you how to make the lid. You're going to need a 6 1/4 square. Okay, so we're going to score this, yeah, 1 inch in on all sides. I'm just going to rotate it, do 1 inch. Rotate it, do 1 inch. Rotate it, inch. Now you have your little corner squares. You're just going to cut. See how, just cut that little flab. And now you're just gonna rotate your paper and cut in that same exact spot. Boop, rotate. Boop, rotate. Now you just have these little slits. See the lid starting to come together? And this is what's going to happen. You could put the flap on the inside so it looks nicer and just keep going all the way around. And that's what we're going to do. I use my glue stick because I can't stand that gun. So if you're holding it down, you just get your corner that you cut and tuck it in on the inside. Get your next corner, tuck it in on your inside. Normally I would use my tape runner, but I'm fed up with that thing. He is fired. So now you have your square. Once you stick all your goodies in here, okay, let's stuff some stuff. Got lots of goodies. You get the idea. It closes up like so. I just hold it and stick one side in, wiggle the other ones in, and you got a nice snug fit. Ta-da! You can hear the goodies. And that, my friends, is how you make an exploding box. Bye.